Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's start with a piece of cardboard. At first, draw an outline with a pencil and then cut it out. Cut 6 pieces of elephant like this. Take 1.5 teaspoon of plaster of Paris, 1 tablespoon of white glue, 1 tablespoon of water. You can add some white acrylic color with it. The consistency will be like this. This mixture will act as a primer. After drying, they will look like this. Here I am using Fevicryl molded clay and using white glue to stick them on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. To watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Your support means a lot. Here I am using a refill to carve out designs. You can use any sharp object which comes handy. I have tried different types of designs on each of them and left them for drying for near 2 hours. After it's completely dry, I am applying acrylic color. I am using white for the teeth, black for the eyes and golden for all the jewelries. Let them dry for a few hours. Fold a woolen thread 30 to 35 times, then tie a tight knot. You can check out my another video on pom-pom making. I have given the link in the description box. You have to keep cutting it until it forms a round shape. Make 15 to 20 pom-poms. Here I have taken an old bangle and tying a tight knot with woolen thread. Now watch this step very carefully. You will see a knot forming here. You can watch it again. Cover the whole bangle like this. Make 6 bangles like this. Now take a plain white thread and tie a pom-pom with a bangle. Make sure that the pom-pom stays around the middle of the bangle, like this. Take 2 pieces from an egg carton and cut each of them in bell-like shapes. Press the corners with your finger. Now apply 2 coats of golden acrylic color on each of them and let them dry. Here I am using a thick cotton thread. You can use nylon thread too. I have arranged the bell first, then some multicolored beads. After that pom-pom and again some beads. Now tie the thread on one end of the bangle and then on the other end. I have added some beads again and then pasted an elephant with hot glue. Add some more beads and repeat the process. Pom-pom, then bangle, then elephant. Finish it up with tying a tight knot. I have made 2 sets with 3 elephants in each. And it's ready. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.